Hi, I'm Stephen Cocklow,
And I'm Bryce Raffle,
and we're the authors of The Littlest Dinosaur.
and today we're making Print and Fold Dino Elementary. Here's what you'll need.
The downloadable printable template, which is available at littlestdinosaur.square.site.
You'll find the link in the description of the video.
We'll also need scissors.
And glue. Are you kids ready?
You can start by coloring your printable template. We're using one that's already colored, so all we have to do is cut, fold, and glue.
Cut out the chimney separately, and then just cut along the lines.
Next, fold along the lines and glue the tabs on the inside of your school.
Be patient while the glue dries.
And don't forget to glue the chimney to the roof of the school.
Mine's done. Mine too.
Good job! Looks really good.
Welcome to Dino Elementary.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using hashtag Littlest Dinosaur Crafts and tag us at the Littlest Dinosaur Series.
We can't wait to see your finished Dino Elementary School.
And if you like this craft, you'll love the books.
Available at littlestdinosaur.square.site. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching!